Okay guys, before we start this video, like the video, subscribe, and comment down like you did. Guys, fix the camera, guys, sorry. No. Okay, I'm gonna do sideways now. Okay guys, yeah, follow the rules and you can see this. Guys, I've been working on this for hours. It is the ice play button, guys. The ice play button. You can see the little shape right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a play button. So I'm gonna pause the video and we're gonna go destroy it. Okay guys, we're back out here in my backyard. I'll be right back. Do not drop that. Okay, we got the sledgehammer and today we're gonna break it. So baby, hold the video. You ready?
Are you ready, guys?
Set. Oh, it's exploding everywhere. Oh, that's chunks right there, guys. That is legit chunks. Oh. Thank you guys for 15 subscribers. Oh God, no. I got it dirty. Okay, guys, aftermath is right now. Guys, the aftermath is here. It is all just like plain water. Thank you guys for 15 subscribers. Goodbye.